Nigel Sylvester. I'm a professional BMX athlete, and I'm originally from Queens, New York. Once I discovered that there was an actual industry around BMX riding, I was sold. I was like, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. Riding and doing your thing in the streets is one thing. Being able to put it on camera and then be able to share that with the world is another thing. I want to make sure that my brand is unique and different than anything else out there. Everyone has a brand. How do you define it and really make your brand mean something? What I represent is extremely unique to me. And whether I'm creating with a photographer or a videographer or another creative, that bike is present. There's some type of connection to it. I just wanted to be sponsored by a bike brand that mattered, a brand that I know would give me the support and opportunity to fully blossom.
You know who he is, you know what he does, you know why he's as good as he is.
When it comes to working with brands, I only work with brands that I truly believe in. I was very conscious of not portraying an image that wasn't me. The first time that I got recognized by a brand was a company called Bikes. Later on, after that, I got sponsored at the age of 18 years old and I turned pro. I got sponsored by Miracle Bikes and also signed to Nike. And it was a true collaboration with those two brands. I felt like as much as I gave to them, they gave back to me.
As much as I gave to them, they gave back to me.
And I feel that's when true collaboration and partnership happens. I learned very quickly about the power of no. You can't be afraid to say no. If you understand that an idea isn't a true representation of who you are, you have to turn that down. So I'm not just doing things because it's a check. Because I'm trying to protect my brand and protect my longevity. Anytime we create a piece of content, we must create things around it so we can extend the life of the videos we can post on social and continue the conversation around it. And then sometimes there's a brand that may see oh, this thing did really well. How do we get it on the next one? And you make the next one bigger. And that's what I love about Go, where it's it's a story that's continuously evolving. So I do a video and I post it, and it's super dope. I feel the experience ends there. I look at merch as a way to continue the conversation, as a way to expand on that experience. If someone gets a certain feeling from after watching some of my content, I want to have a hat or a t-shirt or a product or whatever the case is that they can be bet now I can get that feeling from this product and have it in my home or in my hands, something tangible. Find people who are also starting off. Together, you guys are way stronger. No one accomplishes anything by themselves. You need that circle around you to accomplish that. A lot of times when I'm going out to film something, I already know what I want the final product to look like. I think that far through the process. So we're not just out there filming aimlessly. Certain things that I put out, I edit it myself, and I'll sit there and trim hair and cut hair and do all those things to get it to a point where it just feels right. So don't be afraid to experiment and just to try things, and being confident in yourself and being confident in your vision and your dream that you want to accomplish, I feel is the most important thing. And remember that process that got you to that first W, and then replicate that.